All right, we've got a new project we are starting today. We have an absolutely beautiful project and a beautiful home here that needs a major facelift to the entrance of this home. And once we finish, this will now be classified as a grand entrance. First, we need to demo the old stair set that is here conjoining to our home. We will replace this with a new stair set and a new sidewalk that will complement greatly with our style and a larger size. As you can see here, we have a stair set that is not very user-friendly as well. The spacing of these stairs is incorrect and it does not tie into the sidewalk properly. Also, once you're using the sidewalk, we're also intruding the area of our landscape and these bushes here. So we want to pull all of this out and make all of this entrance a lot bigger and really make a statement. After we demolish the sidewalk and we demolish the stairs here, we will now form a new stair set entrance here that will have 12-foot stairs, 16 inches deep, all the way across with two very nice wing walls that will have very nice columns at the end. This concrete will be very special. We have something very tricky under our sleeve. We will be using a combination of exposed aggregate concrete with stamped concrete. And with that pattern and with those designs, we'll also be incorporating lighting. This project is going to be very nice and you will always be able to see a clear and straight path to the front entrance of this home. Now let's get this concrete out of here. We have removed our original stair set and now we are starting the forming and preparation of our new stair set here. This will be 12 feet in diameter and we have wing walls that will be accommodated with a nice column at the end of each wing wall. Should make for a really nice grand entrance. Okay, it doesn't look like much now, but this part of the process is very important. We want to make sure that all the angles and all of the slopes are exactly right to make sure that water flows off of this stair set, make sure that this is a very safe place to enter and exit the home. right, we're back at it. This grand entrance was big and now it just got a little bit bigger. We had to add an extra step at the bottom to adjust the height to make it where the patio had just a minimum amount of fall to run water off, but not too much. Now we are adjusting our wing walls and installing our columns that will be placed on the end of the last stair. All right, here as you can see, we have our column that will have a cantilevered edge, and we have a very nice finish that we are planning to apply to these pillars. These stairs and these columns are not prefab, so all of this is custom. If you're in need of a specific application for a custom design, give us a call and we can design our concrete to fit your needs. The projects that we install, these are very custom and it's not going to be like your neighbors. This is yours and it's made for your specific project. It's time for concrete. Let's put it down. Okay, now that all of our concrete has been placed and finished, now we are applying our stamp, and this is a Roman slate texture. Should look really nice on the top of all of these stairs, columns, and wing walls. It's getting a little harder, faster than anticipated, so it's time to pick up the speed. That was a lot of fun, but we are extremely exhausted. We poured 2 concrete trucks today at 2 separate times, and now we have this absolutely gorgeous grand entrance. All the concrete is poured in place and stamped. As you can see, we also have borders that are coming through the stamps and borders that are on the outside. Now this looks great, however, it is not over. We will return tomorrow to add the finishing touches and it's going to look completely different. To complement the wing walls and our columns at the end of the stairs, we have lights that will be incorporated into the sidewalk to make sure that this passage always lights up to provide for a user-friendly and safe environment to get from the driveway to the entrance of the house. And I ain't gonna lie, they look sexy. Tomorrow, once we remove our forms and clean up the job site, we will then pressure wash the entire area, and that is when we will expose the aggregate in this concrete. It should add a lot of detail and a really nice contrast to go with the Roman slate that will be sprayed with a charcoal color, nice and antique to give some highs and lows that will make this project look really good.
see more of our projects, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, follow us on all of our socials at Definition of Concrete.